Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, it's a pretty nice evening out there. North breeze is blowing. You can certainly see it in the palms in Key West right now. That north breeze always, after traveling over Florida Bay, shows up pretty nicely there in the lower Keys. 73 in Miami. Ooh, get nice. 75 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 75 in Key West. 1 on the stickiness scale. That's also getting nice too. Humidity levels are low, only at 68% with these cooler temperatures and the north wind at 7. Highs today made it into the low 80s. We probably won't make 80s tomorrow, maybe in South and Southwest Miami-Dade, West Kendall and Homestead, but everybody else should hover in the upper 70s. Current temperatures about to drop in the 60s in Opelika, Pembroke Pines, and West Kendall. The last time Miami saw 60 or 70 rather. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Last time Miami saw 60s, so below 70, was May 8th. It's been about 194 or so days, give or take. In terms of temperatures compared to last night, they're running between 1 and 5 degrees cooler than this time last night, so definitely the cooler air being felt. And there's the north wind blowing anywhere from 7 to 18 miles an hour. Now, these coastal locations, Pompano from Fort Lauderdale down south, they are going to stay, you guys are going to stay a little bit warmer tonight. And the breeze is going to stay up as well, gusting over 30 miles an hour in some locations. The breeze is going to stay up quite a bit more tomorrow, gusts up to 40 miles an hour in some spots. Here is the latest on Tropical Storm Iota tonight. Just barely a tropical storm now with the winds at 40 miles an hour, quickly winding down, unfortunately dumping a lot of rain as it does, moving to the west at 12. Pretty close to Tegucigalpa, Honduras there, and forecast to continue to move to the west and dissipate within the next 12 to 24 hours. So there is Iota tonight. You can still see the leftover of the remnants of the circulation. There's a weak little disturbance headed into the southern and southwest Caribbean here, but conditions don't look favorable for development, so that's good news. And we're kind of getting to the point now in the year where our threat here in South Florida for a major hurricane, it's very, very low. So low, in fact, that those of you who have been holding onto your hurricane supplies tightly, you can probably relax just a little bit. Now, maybe another week or two, we can say, as far as we're concerned, our threat is even lower. But in La Nina years, like this has been, which has created the hyperactive hurricane season, hurricane seasons tend to go longer into November. So nothing threatening us now, and soon we'll be able to kind of relax completely. Temperatures across the country, they are pretty chilly all the way down to Atlanta, 40s there, 30s, and 20s up through the Great Lakes. Back in the west, temperatures are not too bad. Here's our forecast for tonight. It's looking pretty good out there. Let's call it cooler and drier, breezy beaches and lows in the low 70s to the mid 60s. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of sunshine, a few passing clouds, fairly breezy, nice and dry, high temperature near 78 degrees. A few spots might make it to 80. On the water, pretty rough out there with northeast winds blowing 25, seas up to 10 feet in the Gulf Stream, taking us through the rest of the week into the weekend. Beautiful day tomorrow, and then the breeze, unfortunately, is going to pull in a few showers as we go through the end of the week and the weekend, but no hot weather in sight. CBS 4 News Tonight's coming right back.